Dude, he's not gonna know the difference between hallucinating and his sleep paralysis demon, dude. Holy fuck.
User.
Hey, Tyler reports as AFK.
What is all this?
Bro, where I'm at.
Where am I?
Where am I?
Holy shit, bro. I'm
Oh, I'm
black.
in
I'm
the
supposed to
last.
be faster. Let's go.
I'm last.
I gotta make the comeback. Oh my god. Oh my god, Alinsky is bussing.
This is really cool. Like, to just look at.
Look at me. I just fucking passed everything there.
Bro, why am I stuck?
Holy, my
Yo, step bro,
ball is
help me.
hauling ass.
What?
Wait a minute. Oh shit. Oh my god, what a Jesus Christ.
Oh,
Wait,
there I go. Nah,
I'm gonna
that's
call
good.
him Glare.
Yeah, you can call me Glare.
Elixni.
Elix.
Finally. Finally, bro.
The commentating is immaculate.
Wait, we Woozy did a fucking strat. Nah, that's me, bro. That's me. Fuck. Damn.
How long is this race? Holy.
Bro, let's go, DeAndre. Go to the middle, bro. You're not stuck, step, bro. Let's go. No!
Please,
Oh
Bunny,
my
fall off the
god.
edge. Damn it.
Oh my yeah.
Or
Bro, I
Cyber,
was
just fall off the edge. Please. The love of God.
oh ooh. 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 Wait, go, 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 go. Let's go, brother. Let's go, brother. Oh shit, Cyber doof. God damn.
Am I still stuck in the back?
Bougie, bro. Bro, Cyber doof is hauling ass, bruh. Bruh.
You
Bro, he got the cheats on, bruh.
right? I feel like you need to do a redraw.
God damn. Let's go, bro. Wait, he's stuck, bro. I think I got a chance. Look at him. He's just chilling. He's chilling. He's chilling. Oh, no, no. Yeah, that's a wrap.
No way.
That's a wrap. Bruh. I had it. God damn. We should do like some Need for Speed on this.
Where am I? Oh, I'm
Or
dead last. Oh, here we go.
pull out the ball.
What's up, boys and girls?
Yo, yo. It's a wrap. Cyber do fast.
Let's fucking go.
Damn, son. That's a wrap.
Sick. Sick.
That
Oh, my phone's about to die, so I'm gonna hop back on the computer.